Assalamu alaikum. Everyone, this is your guide. Today I am gonna tell you about freelancing. What is freelancing? Why should I recommend freelancing? And which are the best platforms for freelancing? These are some basic questions that arrive into our mind after hearing about freelancing. Well, I will tell you about freelancing. Freelancing is a job where you can earn money through your skill that will be anything like 1. Logo designing. You can design logos for different companies and individuals. 2. Video editing, you can edit videos for your client. And many more skills. Whatever you have, you can provide in your flexible hours and earn money. Now it's time to tell you some best platforms where you can serve the skill that you have. So the best platform is Upwork.com. Upwork is the best platform for freelancing, and there are so many specialties of Upwork that can make it different and special as compared to all the platforms such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, and Guru.com, etc. I will tell you some specialty about freelancing. After that, you cannot stop yourself to make an account and start work today. Being a freelancer, you have more freedom than when you work for someone else, like 9-to-5 jobs. In freelancing, it's up to you which new client you take on. You can decide your hourly price at your own and what hours do you work. Flexible hours, that you can set your own working hours. This is pretty good for those who have kids or who have many other responsibilities. Self-management, that you are your own boss, you can choose your workload, your schedule. Location flexibility, that you can live anywhere because you are not beholden to a single company or boss, even you can earn while you are traveling. But the thing I would like to recommend to you is, if you are new in the freelancing field, then you should try Fiverr.com or Guru.com before going to Upwork. So, you can gain some experience from there. It will make easy your freelancing career on Upwork. I will give a link below in the description of Fiverr.com where you can sign up for your Fiverr account and start earning from now. And the last and more important thing that we all want is, do the work you love, your way. This is the beauty of freelancing. Thank you for watching this video. Keep doing, support me so I can make more videos for you. If you are new to the channel, then hit subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can stay updated on my new videos. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.